Hey, KeqFPS here. I didn't know when to really ask for this, but I thought I would try and make a video assuming all the others are about a year old. And I'm seeing a lot of usernames in those videos that I'm watching having those 4 digits at the end. So hopefully I can resolve this. Now I'm starting on the YouTube home, so that way it's simple for everyone. But what we're gonna do is scroll over to the top right picture, hit view your channel. After we do that, you're going to see your videos that you've created. There are none on my end because this is a testing account. Hit customize channel, and right here it'll bring you to the YouTube Creator Studio, and you can hit basic info, and it will show you your handle with a 4 digits on there to customize. Most people get rid of them. Some people change it to maybe their birth year. But some suggestions, if your name is taken, can be the followed by your name, real followed by your name, and or official followed by your name. If that helps, please drop a sub. It'll be really helpful. And also, if there's any other tutorials that you would like me to cover. Other than that, I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. KeqFPS signing out.